Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Got a lovely part exchange we've just taken in here, a 2016 top of the range Volkswagen Transporter. This is the long wheelbase bi-turbo model with 4Motion and the DSG gearbox in Indium Grey. Got a huge factory specification, lots of additional enhancements too. As you can see, it's got the styling kit and the black pack on the front there. LED lights all round and front parking sensors too. As you'd expect from a 6.5-year-old vehicle, there's a few chips around it that we've touched in, but generally a very clean, tidy looking vehicle. You can see down the side there, no dents, paintwork looking good, nice finish on it. It's got 20-inch alloy wheels with the red brake calipers. Centre caps we've taken out the minute, just waiting on the new ones arriving. That's why they're not in there. Sidebars and roof rails too, plus privacy tints to the side and rear window on this one. Originally prepared by Atkinson Vans, so it's got the leather cross-stitch interior, centre perforations. There's a couple of little marks on the seats. Again, 6 years old, it's not brand new. Just want to show you a realistic picture of it. So it's got heated front seats, as mentioned, the park sensors front and rear. It's also got the Discover Media navigation system, cruise control too, and the carpet in the front of the vehicle. Moving into the rear here, it's got 2+1 rear seating system. It's fully carpet lined with a suede roof lining throughout. Has got the LED downlighters on the roof. High level rear spoiler. And the reversing camera also. Carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector on this one, just to protect the bumper from anything going in. Couple of little touch-ins around the bumper again that have been done. The rear area, floor's in lovely condition there. Got some additional lights in the roof. There's the odd little mark in the carpet lining again, just from normal use that you'd expect. Driver's side, dent free. Again, paintwork all looking very straight down there. Great looking vehicle from the side profile. Has been lowered 40mm. As you can see, no nasty chips or cracks in the screen. And the mileage today is 53,721. Now this vehicle's just had a whole load of routine maintenance carried out by ourselves to the tune of £1,800. So cambelt and water pump, DSG and 4Motion service, discs and pads all round, some suspension bushes, all the stuff that you get around about 5 or 6 years. We've just done it all, so makes a huge difference. If you're comparing to others that might be slightly cheaper, that'll be the reason why they probably haven't had all the maintenance done. But great looking vehicle in the best colour, 20+ photos and a full written description on our website, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We can take part exchange and we do offer finance facilities. So if you're interested, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.